I really hope y'all don't hear my dogs in the background. Yeah. Okay. But hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Samil Jalisa, or you can just call me Samil. But welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this 90s inspired layer cut. Y'all, I am in love with this. I've been wanting to do this hairstyle for so long, and I've just been so like hesitant to do it because I wasn't sure I would know how to do it. But y'all, just like every other hair tutorial, if I can do it, you can do it, okay? Period. So let's just hop right into the video. I'm gonna show you how I got it, and also if you want to know how I achieved this color, click the link in my bio to how I dyed this hair with no bleach. All right, but let's just hop right into the video. All right, so I honestly think the comb will be better than just using a razor, or definitely just using scissors, because of the simple fact that scissors is going to give you a very blunt cut, and that's not giving. So that's not giving. And a razor will give you a really nice cut, because that's what I was going to use initially. But when I saw this, I was just like, yo, like this is perfect, because it's a comb. It's gonna it's basically just probably gonna do the work for you. So let's see. So the comb just looks like this. It has like the short side and the long side. I'm gonna use the long side because I think that it will just be easier. Honestly, y'all, I'm terrified of messing up this wig, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. Okay, I'm gonna start like right here and then just go down. So yeah, maybe like right here. So I don't want to do it too short. Then I'm just gonna keep messing with it. Let's see. So I'm gonna curl it. Cute, I like it. And then I might bring it down a little further, just so it's not like, you know. But I like the longness of it. But we'll see. It's already like giving. It's already giving. It's already giving. Basically, you're just gonna take the razor comb and you're just gonna go down in an angled motion. It's very, very self-explanatory. Like, it's actually pretty easy. If I can do it, you definitely can do it. But that's just what I was doing, and I was just, you know, adjusting it how I wanted, my preference. So just depending on how, you know, you want your layers is how you would cut it. But I was just doing an angle cut, trying to make it match the other side, and that was basically it, y'all. It's super simple. So this is just going to be kind of like a sped up version of it, just so you can see it, what I'm doing and everything like that. So period. I like it. I need to see if I want to like bring it down more, but this is kind of how I like it. This side. What y'all think? Do it need to be a little bit more layered, or is it good? I feel like this side I'm really struggling to get it layered. Like, I'm just trying to do that real good, like, you know. Like this side I feel like has a good angle. This side I'm trying to get the angle. Trying to get the angle. So it's like noticeable. So I'm just gonna go back in and try to bump it to make it a little bit more dramatic. But yeah. Y'all, I am in love. I really did that. I really did that. I really did that. I really did that. I do need to try to make this piece shorter, but I can't do it, so I'm not gonna mess it up and make it too short. Y'all. So you definitely can, depending on the length of the hair, you definitely can bring the layers down further. I wanted to keep the length. I didn't want it to be too light. So I just did the front section, like I literally just kind of did it like this. You know, this would be cute short. Maybe I'll cut it, but yeah. So that's just kind of how I want to do it. You can definitely do it to your own liking. That's the, you know, the whole point. Always do it to how you want to do it to. But I love this. I think I did a really good job. I did exactly how I wanted it. Period. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video on how I got my layer cut. I'm in love with this. I'm never taking this wig off. Ever. This literally was like brought to life. Like I am so in love with this. Is it perfect? No, but am I satisfied? Beyond. I love it, and I really hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I really hope it taught you something, you learned something. Let me know in the comments if you tried it or if you just like it or whatever. Just talk to me in the comments. But thank you guys so much. We're on the road to 15K, so run my subscribers up. Okay, you're already here, so just go ahead and click that button. Period. But okay, loves, I'll talk to you guys in my next one.